Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. In this video, we create two tables, set primary keys and build relationship between them. MS Access is a database management application where we can create database objects such as tables, queries, forms, reports, etc. From the desktop, click Start button, click All Programs, click Microsoft Office folder and then click Microsoft Office Access 2007. This is the start page of Microsoft Access where we can begin our work in database. This is blank database button that is used to create a new database in MS Access. Remember, before creating the objects such as tables, forms, queries and reports, we have to create the database itself. These are the database templates. These provide ready-made database objects to create databases related to required category. For example, contacts template can be used to create address list databases so that it can store addresses of our friends, relatives, or suppliers or customers. On the right side, we can see the list of recently worked projects. Now we are interested in blank project, so click blank project button. On the right side, blank project section appears. Type a name for the database. I will type student and click create button. Now we see the MS Access database window. This table-like area is known as datasheet view of the table. The left side pane shows the list of objects we create in MS Access. Now it is showing table 1. Let us create a table in datasheet view. Remember, tables are the objects of database which store data. Don't worry about the ID field. It is auto-generated primary key field. We can remove it later as we don't want it. Double-click in Add New Field and type first name field of the table, that is roll number. Press Enter button or click in Next field and type first name. Don't leave blank spaces between the words of field names. Similarly, type all other necessary field names like last name, fees and city. After the last field, don't press Enter button, but click the cursor below roll number field. Here we will add the first record in our table. Type 1 as roll number and press Enter button and enter Shyam as the first name. Similarly, add last name, fees and city data and press Enter button to go to the next row. Similarly, insert 4 more records in the table. Note that we are considering only 5 records for study purpose, but actual database tables contain hundreds of records. Meanwhile, see the ID field column automatically gets unique numbers. After typing required records, don't press Enter button again, as we don't want to create a blank record in this table. Now click Save button to see Save as dialog box. Type the table name as admission and click OK button. See the table name appearing as admission. Let us close this table. Don't worry, you can see the table on left side pane. We created admission table in datasheet view. Let us know how to create another table using design view. Go to Create tab and click Table Design button from Tables group. Now we see blank design view of a table. It is different from datasheet view as we see only field names and their data types but not the records. Under field name, type the first name of the second table, that is roll number. Remember, for relationships we need common fields in both tables. Select number data type as roll number is numerical value. See other data types like text, memo, date or time, etc. These are known as field data types. Similarly, add all other fields for the second table. We are using 7 subject names here. The data types of all these fields are number, as we want to store marks in them. For building one-to-one relationship, both tables should have primary keys. So click in the roll number field and click primary key from tools group. See a key symbol appears behind roll number field. Now let us save this table as exam. See, exam table appears in the object list pane. As exam table is selected, go to views and click datasheet view so that we can add records. See, all the fields that we created in design view are appearing. Type 5 records here also and click save button to save the records of exam table. A little work is left in our first table, that is admission, so open it in design view. See, the ID field is having primary key. Let us delete it as we don't want it. Right click on ID field and click delete rows. MS Access shows warning message. Click yes. We receive another message because ID field was set with primary key. So click yes for confirming deletion. Now select roll number field, go to tools group and click primary key button. See that the key symbol appears behind roll number field. Now again click save button to save the updates. One more time open the tables and check whether everything is correct. Remember, both tables should have equal number of records for one-to-one relationship. Let us create relationship between admission and exam tables. Remember, we have to close the open tables before we create relationship. Go to Database Tools tab and click Relationships button from Show or Hide group. We see Show Table dialog box. We can see tables and queries here if we have already created them. We created only 2 tables, admission and exam, that are appearing in this box. Select admission table and click Add button. Similarly, select exam table and click Add button. Both tables appear in the relationship window. Close Show Table dialog box. See that tables are showing only fields, hence these are known as field list windows. Also see the primary keys for roll number fields in both tables. Now press on roll number field of admission table. Drag the mouse pointer and drop it on roll number field of exam table. Instantly we see Edit Relationship dialog box. See that it is showing relationship type as one-to-one. Let us check referential integrity checkbox so that integrity of the data in both tables is maintained and unnecessary editing and deleting is avoided. Now click Create button so that relationship is done. See the join line showing one-to-one relationship between admission and exam tables. Now save the relationship. If there are mistakes in data types, record data or numbers, we need to correct them first. Otherwise, we can't create relationship. I hope this video was useful for you. Let us meet in the next class. Like and share my videos. Thank you.